Hello. I completely lost my train of thought. Oh, gods. So we got chased by the girl. I hate that name of the monster. And then Emily over here was like, and the girl, she was like, oh, I have conflicted feelings about chasing a blind little girl. And then Emily was like, what's the matter, girl? You scared of a little blind girl? And then the girl's like, I am over our conflicted feelings. And so we ran. I butchered that joke horribly. Anyways, never doing that again. I'm that one weird uncle. Let's see. But yeah, we escaped. We we roped a child out of prison. 2 times she's been locked up now. Seriously, how are you not on payroll? I bought everything out of the casino screen, and there's like no monsters around the mansion anymore after that experience. And I wanted to at least, yeah, I wanted to at least open this door because I realized I still had the level 3 security clearance on me. See if there is, in fact, any. Okay. I don't like how it's making noise. It totally deserved that. Alright, let's see what else will scare our pants off. We now have everything we need to unlock the big door. The girl is not defeated completely, by the way. I'm just gonna call her the Hag. This is a much better name. We only escaped her, and that's twice now. We've thought we have defeated her. If I know anything, the third time's the charm. Yay!
Finally, we made it.
Oh,
We did it.
we're out. Yay! Freedom! Sophia's gonna.
Emily, are you all right? Emily?
Okay.
I don't know.
Well, let's just. We need to keep moving, okay? Emily?
Okay.
I like that. Let me guess. I'm gonna go to the helipad and realize I'm gonna have to go to the church, and then there's that. It's not gonna be the good old Catholic or Christian church. It's gonna be like, hey, we worship Satan
Oh
here.
my god.
Oh, that's surprising. Hey, FBI agent, do you know how to fly a helicopter?
Stay right there.
It's okay. We're not infected.
So you're normal?
I think so.
Thank fuck. Those things still running around?
Who are you?
You don't need to worry about me.
I'm tired.
No.
That your kid?
What's...
This? Old war wound. I can't run away even if I wanted to.
Can you fly this?
Sure can. My bastard boss took the key.
I don't trust this guy. Like, one bit.
You go get it for me. It's in there.
He's gonna leave us,
I'd
ain't
go
he?
myself, but I can't outrun those things, not with this leg.
Are you lying to me?
What? Have you seen the same shit I've seen? Look, lady,
To be
we're out of
fair,
options
she's
here.
FBI.
How much longer do you think any of us can survive?
Can I go back to my room now?
It's not safe.
Hey, we can help each other. I'll protect her. If you get the key,
No.
I'll keep her safe.
Nope.
I
Nope.
promise.
Nope. Don't do it, Grace. Don't do it. Nuh-uh. Nope. Nope. Nope.
What's the deal?
Nope. We know nothing about this man.
I got you.
Oh, Grace. You're an FBI agent.
No. Come on. Gotta strap you in. Oh, I'm Grace. By the way, this is Emily.
Harry,
Thank you, Harry.
no problem.
Harry's gonna die, ain't he?
I'll be right back.
He's either gonna betray us or he's going to die. There's only two options for Harry. I am so sorry, my man. Okay, well, at least I can trust that part. Oh, I was gonna see if I could shoot its other leg. I mean, I was totally gonna help him out and get that helicopter key. That was my plan. The guy who literally couldn't walk 2 steps. You know, I think I trust the zombies more than I do Harry right now, honestly. Because I know what they're about. They just want to eat. I don't know what he's about. Alright. Oh man, this is gonna be a adventure and a half, ain't it? Oh, I probably shouldn't make a. It's fine. I got ammo. Also made ammo. Oh, screen.
Please, just let it be in here.
Like, you could have told me a better description where it was at. Oh, cool. A microscope. Yay. So thrilling. That's, okay. I didn't... Sorry, I didn't know your game. Here's the surgical tools we used to use throughout the day, throughout the years. This is to cut off your leg. This is to cut off your leg. This is also to cut off your leg. This is to cut off your leg. And this is to cut off your arm. Not to be confused with the thing that cuts off your leg. Oh, I just straight up taken it. Okay. Why can't I pick that up? Okay. It's a lot of books. Medical counselor manual and cardiac medicine. That is for the heart. See, I do know things. Ooh, a globe! Where are we at in the world? I do find it weird how I can pick up a bunch of stuff in here. What even is that supposed to be? Oh, it's a lion. But why does it look... Why is it like that? A unicorn! Yay! Can we take this? Hey, I want to pick this up. I want to give it to Emily. Might as well steal it. What on earth? Watch, I'm gonna find a file about Harry. As a precaution, we have requested the blockade be extended for 10 minutes. It's only been 10 minutes? Okay. Oh, sweet. Yeah, let's have this crazy. So glad nobody tightened that down. That would have sucked. Okay. It's a puzzle, Gus. You can do it. I believe in you. No, that makes one of us. Wait, I'm the same person. Ah. Just force it in. I mean, at this point. Can I not do any more with that? What? Where is that quote? No. Okay. I am decompuzzled. Alright. It's a weird decoration. I seriously might have to look this up because I have no idea what this game wants me to do. I don't want to sit here trying to figure it out for once. Hey, Harry. Wow, not even gonna talk to me anymore? Yeah, it is, bud. Hey, there's a crazy puzzle in there. You got any advice? Yeah, she's still there. She better be still there. Why are you sitting in front of her? Why are you sitting in the... Isn't that the co-pilot seat? Why would you sit...
What are you doing? The boss took the key in there.
Yeah, there's a crazy puzzle. And who's this boss? Go that way at all. Nice. Okay. You spin me right round, baby, right round like a record. What? Why? But why
I
though?
see.
I don't. You want me to let?
What?
No, the unicorn. Oh, oh dear. Nope. Mm-mm. Oh, so the boss gets an underground bunker. Good for him. Man, for a helicopter pilot, I hope you're getting paid a lot of money, guy. And a word that? Oh, okay, he ain't getting paid nothing. He's not even getting disability. The VA screwed him over like everybody else. I shouldn't say stuff like that. Oh well. Stuff. More stuff. That's a lot to read. That's a lot of words, funny man. Okay, that's the office. It's a whole setup in here. This is pretty nice. There's a man cave in the bunker. Reception? What? Okay. Who is this? The DNA. Yep, let's go farther down into the bunker for a helicopter. Yeah. Cool, bye! We're leaving, we're never coming back. We're just gonna walk home.
What the hell?
How? That's like more blood than a human contains. Like, what? Yep, we're gonna use that later. Okay. Yep, cool. This is totally. I don't think this is sanctioned. It would have been funny if the helicopter key was just in there. I was like, alright, cool. Bye, and we will never speak of this again. Is there a... What was it? Something? What do you mean something? It's what? It's... Apparently we're making a goo monster. Oh, that's where it came from. Okay, cool. And away we go. Oh, I thought those were lockers. I was wrong. Probably the same thing. Yeah. Alright, so when do we release these guys from their tanks? $524.3 liters? That's a lot of people. Cool. Subject 170 escaped. Nice. So that's Alright, you're gonna meet subject 170. It's too heavy though. Oh, come on, Grace. Work on your gains. Apple, dude. Hey! There's a raccoon we need to shoot or stab. What horrible monster is going to chase me now? Somebody used it for emergency use. Oh, it's empty. Oh boy. It looked effective. Uh-huh. Okay. Don't understand any of that. I have a knife. Oh, we don't have to use ammo. We can make one. Oh, good! Giddy!
Found you.
Yeah, I ain't unlocking the security system. You nuts? I'm just gonna go back out the way I came. Yeah, someone obviously locked me in. Cool. This is gonna go well. Alrighty!
Yes, Zeno, that's correct. All tests have come back positive. I can confirm that she is indeed the one that we've been searching for.
Oh, was that my blood?
If all goes as planned, Helpless will soon be in our hands. Of course.
It's pressed. That's
First,
what
I
we're
must
trying to do.
initiate the protocol.
Resurrect Elvis. I
I've
knew
done
it.
it.
Don't you know he's just retired on an abandoned island somewhere? Yeah, sickos.
I've done it.
Woohoo! Good for you!
I've done it.
Yay! Why are you upset about it?
The self-destruct protocol has been initiated. All staff please evacuate. The self-destruct protocol has been initiated. All staff please evacuate.
So we're going out the door he's went out of, right? Yeah?
The self-destruct protocol has been initiated. All staff please evacuate.
Oh, sweet brother!
Resource specimens evacuated immediately.
Oh, sound went haywire there. Okay, This way, I think?
Oh, shit, shit, shit.
Oh, this for a dang helicopter key. Here we go. Oh, God. I need to fix that sound. I don't know why the sound started messing up. Maybe if I change the audio a bit. I'm just gonna turn it down for now. It's still weird. No. Okay, I think this happens.
Help! Help!
Going up. Keep going up, girly. You got this. Girly. We're at the rail. Oh, no! Oh, yeah, a ladder.
Why does this shit keep happening?
Hey, cool, a fire exit. That's actually a fire exit. Oh my goodness! They corrected. Oh my goodness! An emergency exit. That's actually an emergency exit. Let's get out of here. All right, time for Harry to betray us. No. It's a save somewhere in here. I thought. Nope. All right. Oh wow. For sure, it is actually working for once in a cutscene.
You get it?
Yeah. Oh my god.
What the fuck did you do?
Grace? Grace, what's happening? It's okay, Emily. I'm here. Emily, it's gonna get a little bumpy. I'm right next to you.
No, lady, I'm gonna need you up front.
No, it's okay. I'm all right.
Come on.
Oh, there's
Ain't got no gas in it.
Strap in.
This got one. Oh, jeez.
What's it look like I'm doing?
Not taking it off. Cool, Shirley.
No shit! Hold tight, I'm taking off!
Oh man. All right, Harry. I'm sorry I doubted you. You are the GOAT. Yeah, Harry. Upgrade your kill count. Start punching him. I don't know. Do something. Shoot that guy.
Get off me! Get the fuck off me!
Hey, there's the church. Oh, yes, darn it, no. And Harry's completely fine. Yeah, he's okay. He's totally survived that. Oh, gosh, dang it. Harry, no! I just started to trust you. I'm sorry I doubted you, Harry. He was 2 weeks from retirement. No, not Harry. A little faster game. Let me guess. We're now playing as Leon. No, go back to Harry.
Oh, Grace.
he might pull through.
Grace. What's she gonna
I'm
do
not
to
in
this?
denial.
Hello, gorgeous.
Why, thank you. Oh, he's talking to the guy. Just alright, solve that problem. Now nobody can get up. Oh, I hope Emily's okay at least.
Shit.
Holy turkey mushrooms.
That girl just can't stay out of trouble.
Girl, she can't even leave! Where's the... Oh.
Sure.
And we'll get to sharpshooting, because it did just save, next time. So, love you all. God bless. And bye!